a nice night to just relax. What's that noise?
Hey, me, you know what you owe me?
Oh, wait, I got that maniac. Guys, it's day 6 of surviving the maniac. I think we're good right now. So let's go to the basement kitchen and get some food. Whoa, who threw that pillow? Whoa, what's that? It's weird. Okay, let's go to the kitchen to get some food.
I've got you now.
Now that maniac got me captured and I'm on his prison mattress. Hopefully he doesn't see me recording this and sending it to YouTube. Oh no. Hey, we can't end it there. How about we end it me escaping? Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got out of the mattress. See you next video. Also, thanks to Mello Animations YT for filming this with me. Bye.
I found you now.